Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to contact Camtasia Techsmith support when you have an issue. So I never really had to contact Techsmith support until a couple weeks ago when I ran into a major rendering issue. I couldn't render any videos, I couldn't do any projects or complete anything. So obviously that was a big deal because we put out content on this YouTube channel quite frequently. So I had to use the contact support feature and I wanted to show you guys how to do that. So when you are in Camtasia, you hover over help and you go to online help. Alright, so when you land on this page, there's many things that you can do. So you can actually try and search their articles and posts to see if you can solve it yourself. But because this was an urgent issue for me, I didn't want to have to spend more time searching. I wanted to speak to someone or chat with someone directly from Techsmith. Techsmith, by the way, is the company that created the editing software Camtasia. They also have many other products as well. So I went to the Contact Us telephone emoticon here. And you need to make sure that you are signed in. So that's my business partner, Arit. And I went to We're Here to Help, chat with support. And they obviously have their times there. And when I did it, it was a weekday. It was like a Tuesday or something. And it was like 4 or 5 p.m. PST. And I was able to get a hold of someone and chat with them immediately. And they were able to solve my problem within 5 minutes. Like they sent me to an article that gave instructions on how to actually solve the problem really quickly, and it worked right away. So I would highly recommend doing that if you have an issue when working with Camtasia, to reach out to Techsmith support. With my experience, they were quite helpful, they were fast, and they were straight to the point. So that was a quick one for you guys because I had a question in my last tutorial when I was showing the rendering problem. Someone was asking how to contact Techsmith support. Alright guys, that was a quick one for you. If you have any suggestions on any upcoming Camtasia tutorials that I should do, feel free to put them down in the comments section down below. And I may just create a video on it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.